So, hello everyone. We will start today class. That was the exercise 1, okay, from lesson 1. Now we will learn a complete alphabet plus how to put full stop, comma, okay. All the introductory part we will done today, okay. Now if we read objective of these complete alphabets, so understand the rule governing all the abbreviations, contraction and other sign of braille symbol, okay. Now second point is learn correct application of rule while transcribing text into braille, okay. So here if we start writing, so firstly we will learn the rules and applications, all the abbreviation, contractions, how we use and how we start writing in a standard way, okay. Now the rule is that any punctuation signs, comma, full stop, etc. is written immediately after the last letter of the word. It's follow after the punctuation sign. One space must be left before the next word, okay. Here capital sign we will put dot sixth. If you revise your chapter, so I just study class, I just told you guys capital sign, that was if you start writing and there is a capital symbol is, so you have to put a six dot, okay, that will indicate okay that was the capital letter. So here we will start from the exercise 1, okay. So from exercise 1 if you write got, okay, firstly wait, this is got, okay. So what you do, you have to write, you have to put dot 6, okay. Here see, if you notice that it's capital letter, okay, dot G, you have to if you notice that G is a capital form, okay. So you have to put 6 dot, okay. For O you have to write 1 3 5, okay. And for D you have to 1 4 5, okay. Simply you write. अब आ जाते हैं फेम पे, ठीक है. सो फेम के लिए क्या करोगे, यू हैव टू पुट 6 डॉट, ओके. इन ईच एंड एवरी अल्फाबेट्स यू हैव टू पुट 6 डॉट, ओके. नाउ फेम, FAM. So for A you have to write dot A, and for M 1 3 4, okay. For E dot 1 5. Now for lab you have to write 1 2 3, and for A 1, and for B 1 2, okay. And for gem if you write gem, so 2 4 5, ठीक है. A for A dot 1, and for M 1 3 4. Now for hem you have to write, firstly put what, firstly put dot 6. Now A, for A you have to put 1, or for M 1 3 4. Now ball, for the ball you have to write 1 2 and 1. For double L you have to 1 2 3 1 2 3, okay. Not need to write and not need to give in any kind of space over there when you start writing. Now for dice you can do for D 1 4 5, for I 2 4, for C 1 4, and for E 1 5, okay. That's all. Now for if you write, so for for K dot what you do, 1 3, okay. For I 2 4, and for S you have to write 2 3 4, okay. Here you can see that was a double S, okay. So for double S you have to write 2 3, okay, 2 3 4 and 2 3 4. Now for note you have to simply put dot 1 3 4 5, O for O 1 3 5, and for T 2 3 4 5, and for E 1 5. And now for comma what do you write for comma? Now for Rome, okay. For Rome what you do, 1 2 3 5, for O 1 3 5, and for A 1, and for M 1 3 4. Done. Now note, for note what you do, you have to write 1 3 4 5, O for O 1 3 4 5, and for T 2 3 4 5, and for E 1 5, okay. Now for male, PALE. Now for P what you do, you have to write 1 2 3 4, and for A dot 1, L 1 2 3, and for E 1 5. Okay, you have to put comma over there. Okay, and if you forget how to write comma, so for comma you have to put dot. Wait, not need to put 6, but dot, I guess 2 5 6. Okay, just I just revisit once again what the dot, actually I forget what the comma dot, यार I don't know, पता नहीं क्या ही है comma का, क्या था dot, क्या ही था, रुक जा भाई।